Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check which applications have access to your photos on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings. Then you want to swipe down a little bit and go to privacy and security. Once you are here, you just want to go tap on photos, and here are going to be listed applications that have access to your photos or just ever requested an access to your photos, and you're going to be able to Safari is a different app because it's an app from Apple, but for example, Instagram, if you're going to have an Instagram on your iPhone, you are going to see Instagram right here, and you can give an access just by the button of a switch, or just don't give an access to your photos. So again, how to get to the setting? You want to open settings, swipe down, go to privacy and security, go to photos, and here are going to be listed applications that have access to your photos. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.